Welcome everyone to Affairs Cloud. How are you all? I am your friend Vikas. Today we'll be looking at the second week's current affairs of February 2021. But before that, you should know that we have an application by the name of Carriers Cloud. You can go and download it on Android Store, where we provide you with date-wise PDF, weekly test, monthly PDF. The content provided in those PDFs will be amazing and it will help you a lot in your preparation. To avail the courses, you can use code VICAS10 to get a straight 10% discount on the amount. So let's start with the video. First question: where is India's first geothermal development project? India's first geothermal development project planned to get established as per the MOU signed between the state's administration with the ONGC. So, first geothermal field development project where it will be built? It will be built in Puga, Ladakh. It will be built in Puga, Ladakh. Then you should know in Jammu and Kashmir, Sonmarg, Khelo India Games. Khelo India Games will be held. And which edition? This will be second edition. Okay, Khelo India Games, Sonmarg, Jammu and Kashmir, second edition. Then, second edition of Khelo India University Games. Khelo India University Games. Where this will be held? This will be held in Karnataka. Okay, and you know in Karnataka is the most innovative state. Karnataka is the most innovative state. Okay, where was the first edition of Khelo India University Games held? It was held in Bhubaneswar. And who won it? It was won by, or the most medals were of Maharashtra. Okay, next question. So, second question is PM Modi launched Assam Mala program in Assam. What is the aim behind the Assam Mala program? First thing you should know, Assam Mala. Assam Mala was celebrated or started in program Assam. Okay, Assam Mala. The main aim behind this program was improvement of road network. Improved road network. Okay, then if we are talking about Assam, then you should know that in Assam, Mahabahu Brahmaputra initiative was started. Mahabahu Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra initiative was started by PM Modi. Okay, PM Modi also laid the foundation of Dhubri Fulbari Bridge. Dhubri Fulbari Bridge. Also, he did the Bhumi Pujan of Maujali Bridge. Okay, Maujali Bridge. Maujali Bridge, you should also remember that it is on Brahmaputra, and Maujali Island is an important question related to GK, in which you should know Majuli Island is the only riverine island of India. Okay, what is riverine? Like, this is your river and this is the island situated in it. This is Majuli Island and the river is Brahmaputra. Question is framed on which river is the only riverine island of India. It is Majuli Brahmaputra river. Okay. Next question. Where was India's first children boats library inaugurated? Where was India's first children boat library inaugurated? Where was it inaugurated? It was inaugurated in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was inaugurated in West Bengal, Kolkata. Okay. Apart from this, you should know we just saw Mahabahu Brahmaputra in Assam. Then in Kerala, you should know that has been topped the list of states in most conserving state for oil and petroleum products. Okay, like Karnataka topped the list in most innovative index, and Kochi, Kerala topped in most for oil and conservation of oil and petrol products. Okay, then apart from this, you should know Sends. Sends was an messaging app built by Indian company by built by Indian company, that is NIC. It is a messaging app to destroy the monopoly of WhatsApp. Recently you saw the data breach policy by WhatsApp, that you have to share your data if you are using WhatsApp. So to avoid that and to stop the monopoly of WhatsApp, India launched a messaging app by the name Sends, and it was developed by NIC. Okay, so let's move to the next question. What was India's GDP's growth rate projected by RBI for fiscal year 21-22 as of February 21? What was the growth rate projected? It was 10.5% projected by RBI. 10.5% projected by RBI. Okay, then 5.2% was projected by Standard and Poor Global Rating. Standard and Poor Global Ratings, must know, these are the rating that you should be aware of. Okay, then 6% was given by OECD. OECD stands for Organization of Economic Corporation Development Economic Outlook. Okay, Organization of Economic Corporation Development Economic Outlook. Okay, all right. So RBI's prediction was 10.5%, Standard and Poor Global Ratings prediction was 5.2, and OECD's was 6%. Okay, next question. What is the RBI's repo rate as of February 2021? What is the RBI's repo rate as per February 2021? It is 4%. It is 4%. Then if the question is asked what is the reverse repo rate, it is 3.35%. Reverse repo rate. Okay. Then you should know France just approved a bill in which it will oversight mosques and religious schools. So France approved which bill by the name anti-radical bills. Anti-radical bill. Okay, in this they will have oversight over the mosque and religious schools. Okay, then next question. Also, next question. Yes. In this, if I ask you what is the margining standing facility rate? Marginal standing facility, that is also known by MSF rate. What is the MSF rate? It is 4.25%. MSF rate is 4.25%. And if I ask you what is the bank rate? If I ask you what is the bank rate? What is bank rate? If I ask you the bank rate, it is also 4.25%. Okay, let's move to the next question. As per RBI guidelines, India became the first country to allow access to government securities by an entity or a person, including a person resident outside India, through. This was allowed through which account? It was allowed through gilt account. It was allowed through gilt account. Okay, then if I ask you, you should also know that third edition of sign languages was published, and it contains more than 10,000 terms in it. It contains more than 10,000 terms in it. Okay, next question. Which country signed an MOU? Next question is, which country signed an MOU with Bharat Electronics Limited to develop electric vehicles and energy storage systems? Which company partnered with Bharat Electronics Limited? Triton Electric Vehicle. Triton Electric Vehicle partnered with Bharat India Limited. Okay, so next question.
So next question is, which state government approved the creation of Srivilliputhur Meghamalai Tiger Reserve? Srivilliputhur Meghamalai Tiger Reserve. It is the 51st tiger reserve of India. It is the 51st tiger reserve of India. So question can be framed like, which is the 51st tiger reserve of India? It is Srivilliputhur Meghamalai Tiger Reserve. And it can be also asked like, how many tiger reserves are there in India? So 51st is in where? Tamil Nadu, must know. Okay, 51st is in Tamil Nadu and it is a tiger reserve. And Tiger Reserve Protection Act was started when? In 1973. Along with this, tell me which is the largest national park. It is Hemis National Park. Where it is? It is in Jammu and Kashmir. Then which is smallest national park? Smallest national park is South Baton. South Baton National Park. Okay. Then Wildlife Protection Act, when it was enacted in 1972. When was Forest Conservation Act enacted? It was enacted in 1980. And when was Environment Protection Act? Environment Protection Act, it came in 1986. So from starting, first came Wildlife Protection 1972, then Tiger Protection Act, it came in 1973. Then in for Forest Conservation Act, it came in 1980, and Environment Protection Act came in 1986.
Which country participated with India in the 16th edition of joint military exercise by the name Yudh Abhyas? 16th edition of Yudh Abhyas, where it was held in Rajasthan. So 16th edition of Yudh Abhyas held in Rajasthan. It was with which country? Yudh Abhyas is with India and US. It is between India and US. Okay. Then you should know that apart from this, India and US also conducts a military exercise by the name of Tiger Trump. That is Tiger Trump. Alright. Then between India and Japan, it is Sahyog Kaijin. Sahyog Kaijin. And one more, it is Dharma Guardian. Yes. Dharma Guardian. Then with Australia, it is Ausindex. 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 Japan, Sahyog Kaijin, Dharma Guardian. With US, it is Yudh Abhyas and Tiger Trump. With Australia, it is Ausindex. Okay. One more thing that you should know is India gifted Syria. India gifted Syria 2,000 metric tons of rice. 2,000 metric tons of rice. Okay. Next question. Which company has collaborated with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to manufacture 3D printed aero engine components? To manufacture 3D printed aero engine components, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has collaborated with Wipro. It has collaborated with Wipro. Okay. Then apart from this, if I ask you, jute distribution scheme. Jute distribution scheme. Jute distribution, seeds of jute distribution scheme was started by Smriti Irani ji. Okay, Smriti Irani started it, jute seed distribution scheme. Next question. Which country approved to build the first energy island that can produce store green energy satisfying the electricity requirement of 10 million households? Okay. Which country approved to build first energy island that can produce green energy satisfying the electricity requirement of 10 million household? It will be built by Denmark. It will be built by Denmark. Okay. And Sweden, what we get here, which prize is given in Sweden? It is the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is given in Sweden. Okay. Next question. Against which bank highest number of complaints were received? Against which bank highest number of complaints were received? Under which scheme? Ombudsman scheme of the Reserve Bank of India. Under Ombudsman scheme of Reserve Bank of India, sorry, highest number of complaints were received by which bank? SBI. SBI, against SBI, highest number of complaints were registered under which scheme? Under Omsden scheme for Reserve Bank of India. Okay, then if I ask you what is the full form of, no, if I ask you what is the full form of RTGS and what is the full form of NEFT, do search it. I'll tell you this in next question. Do remember what is RTGS and NEFT. Think about it, or you can search it. I'll share it with in the next question. Okay, so what is next question? Which bank partnered with PhonePe, enabling PhonePe users to use UPI ID on the multi-bank model? First of all, what is UPI? It is a method of payment. Okay, it is a method of payment. There are several other methods of payment, such as, first thing you should know, UPI, then it is RTGS, and what I told you, NEFT. So what is the full form of them? UPI, you know, Unified Payment Interface. What is the full form of RTGS? It is real time gross settlement. Okay, and NEFT is National Electronics Fund Transfer. Okay, they are all the online transfer or online payment methods. So which bank partnered with PhonePe, enabling PhonePe users to use UPI on a multi-bank model? Which bank was it? It was none other than Axis Bank. It was none other than Axis Bank. Moving to next question. Which organization announced its plan for world's first all-civilian space mission Inspiration 4? Which organization announced its plan for world's first all-civilian space mission Inspiration 4? So Inspiration 4 was of which company? It was of SpaceX. It was of SpaceX. If I ask you, who is the chairman of ISRO? Chairman of ISRO is K. Sivan. Headquarter of ISRO, it is in Bangalore. From where launching of rockets take place? Space Dhawan Space Center. Where it is? It is in Sriharikota. And where it is? It is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, NASA. Where is the headquarter of NASA? Washington DC. Who is the chairman of NASA? He is none other than James Frederick. Okay, then SpaceX. Who is related to, or who is the owner of SpaceX? Elon Musk. Elon Musk also owns 3 other different companies. I have told you about them. First is Boring Company, then Neuralink, and apart from this, Tesla. Okay, next question. Where was the foundation stone for the Lalanda Dam laid by Indian government recently in February 2021? Lalanda Dam, also known by Shetut. Lalanda Dam, that is Lalanda Dam, is also known by the name Shetut. It can be asked like, which dam is also known as Shetut, or what is the other name of Lalanda Dam? Its foundation stone was laid in which country? Where was it laid? It was laid in Afghanistan. It was laid in Afghanistan. Okay. Then you should know India and Bhutan together are working on space mission, in which, not space mission exactly, it is outer space exploration program. Here they both will work together to map the areas around their boundaries, and that will help in their security. Okay, next question. Which organization released the India Energy Outlook 2021 that predicted India will surpass European Union to become the world's third largest energy consumer by 2030? Which organization released India Energy Outlook 2021, which predicted that India will surpass EU, that is European Union, and became the world's third largest energy consumer by 2030? It will be International Energy Agency. Okay. Then, next question. Which was dedicated as the International Year of the Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Which year was recognized? The year was 2022. The year is 2022. Next question. The next question is, what is the theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week? What is the theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week? Theme is credit discipline and credit from formal institution. Credit discipline and credit from formal institution. Okay. Next. Recently, the working group committee of IRDAI recommended the introduction of index linked insurance policies. What is the lock in period for an index linked insurance plan? It is asking the lock in period for index linked insurance policies. The the lock in period or the time period is 5 years. The time period is 5 years. Okay. So let's move to the next question. In February, NPCI launched a global level hackathon that by the name of the hackathon was this: NPCI Pay Youth Challenge. NPCI Pay Youth Challenge. It was launched by NPCI. And what is the main aim of this hackathon? The question is, what is the main aim of this hackathon? So the main aim was find alternate authentication for UPI transaction. Find alternate authentication for UPI transactions. Okay. Move to the next question. Which company recently acquired 5% stake of Indian Energy Exchange Limited in India Gas Exchange Limited? Which company acquired 5% stake of Indian Energy Exchange Limited in Indian Gas Exchange Limited? So it was GAIL. GAIL acquired 5%. GAIL acquired 5%. Okay, next question. Where is the world's largest radio telescope square kilometers LA South radio receivers planned to be positioned? World's largest radio telescope square kilometers array radio receivers planned to be positioned. It is to be positioned in Australia and South Africa. So the answer is option 4. It is planned to be placed in Australia and South Africa. Okay, we just saw the between India and Australia the military exercises Ocean Dex. Okay, then South Africa. Related to South Africa, an important question is that it is a member of BRICS. Okay, and it joined BRICS in 2010. So when was BRICS formed? BRICS was formed in 2006. And what is the how many countries are there in BRICS? There are 5 countries in BRICS: Britain, Russia, India, China, South Africa. And South Africa joined it in 2010 and BRICS was formed in 2006. Next question. When is United Nations World Pulses Day celebrated? United Nations World Pulses Day is celebrated on 10th of January. It is celebrated on 10th of February, not January, sorry. It is celebrated on 10th of February. Okay. Next question. Next question is, which wing of Indian Armed Force conducts its largest war game event, that is theater level operation readiness exercise? Theater level operational readiness exercise, also known as TROPEX. So which wing of Indian Armed Force organizes it? It is organized by Indian Navy. It is organized by Indian Navy. Okay. TROPEX was held in 3 phases. First was Sea Vigil. Sea Vigil 21. I told you that Indian Armed Forces will be working on the maritime or the boundaries of India, working on it and maintaining conducting various exercises. Second was MFEX. It is a tri joint ambitious exercise, tri service joint exercise by the name MFEX. Okay. Then third was TROPEX. It is the largest war games event conducted by Indian Navy. Next, Recently, a seaweed mission was launched by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council. The seaweed mission is aimed at, I repeat, seaweed mission launched by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council. The seaweed mission aims at, what is the main aim of the seaweed mission? The main aim is bionol ethanol production, reduce algal blooms, and reduce CO2 from atmosphere. So the answer is only 1, 2, 3. That all the answers are correct. Okay. Seaweed mission. It can be also framed like, recently a seaweed mission was launched, and it was launched by which commission, or it was launched by which council? It was launched by TIFAC. TIFAC. Next question. Which life insurance company has the highest claim settlement ratio for fiscal year 20 as per IRDAI's annual report? Which insurance company has the highest claim ratio? Highest claim settlement ratio for year 2020 as per IRDAI's annual report. So the highest claim settlement was of, do comment fast, it was of Max Life Insurance. It was of Max Life Insurance. Okay. Next. Which bank committed to invest USD 100 million into National Investment and Infrastructure funds? Which bank is committed to invest 100 million USD dollar into National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? So which bank will be investing 100 million US dollar? It will be, come on, tell me, it will be New Development Bank. It will be New Development Bank. Where is the headquarter of World Bank? Where is the headquarter of World Bank, and where is the headquarter of International Monetary Fund? They both have their headquarter in Washington DC. Washington DC. They both have headquarter in Washington DC. So come and tell me, where is the headquarter of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? AIIB has its headquarter in where? This is your question of the day. Okay, you have to tell me where is the headquarter of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Next question. Which bank recently signed an MOU with Indian Oil Corporation to provide interest-free loans up to 2 crore rupees? A bank has recently signed an MOU with Indian Oil Corporation to provide interest-free loans up to 2 crore rupees to the Indian oil dealers. So which bank is giving 2 crore rupees without interest? Which bank is this? It is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank is giving loan of 2 crore rupees without any interest. Okay, if you are an Indian oil dealer, you can go to Punjab National Bank and you can opt for a loan of 2 crores without any paying any interest. Okay, next question. Which organization has organized the India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon? India-Australia Circular Economy Hackathon was organized by which organization? It was organized by Niti Aayog. It was organized by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog. When was Niti Aayog set up? It was set up in 2015. Before that, what it was known as? Planning Commission. Okay, who is the chairman of Planning Commission or Niti Aayog? He is none other than PM Narendra Modi. Okay, next. What is the maximum project loan limit allocated per FPO under the Credit Guarantee Facility of Central Government? Formation and promotion of 10,000 new FPO scheme. I repeat, what is the maximum project limit? What is the maximum project loan limit allocated per FPO under the Credit Guaranteed Facility of Central Government? Formation and promotion of 10,000 new FPO scheme. What is the project loan limit? It is 2 crore rupees. It is 2 crore rupees. Next question. Which country received a financial assistance of $400 million from Exim Bank for construction of a 6.7 kilometer connectivity project? I repeat, Exim Bank just gave an assistance or line of credit of rupees $400 million to which country for construction of 6.7 kilometer road? It was Maldives. It was Maldives. Okay. Next question. Which sector of Indian companies received the highest score in ICICI Lombard General Insurance Corporation Limited? Highest score in ICICI Lombard General Insurance Corporate Limited. First Corporate India Risk Index 2020. First in Corporate India Risk Index 2020. So, which sector of Indian company received the highest score in ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company? Which was the sector? Comment fast, comment fast. Tell me it was healthcare. Very good. It was healthcare. Next question. Which of the following is the website launched for conducting India's first Toy Fair 2021 virtually? India's first Toy Fair 2021 was launched virtually, and it was launched on which website? The name of the website is the indiatoyfair.in. The indiatoyfair.in. Which organization conducts the annual event World Sustainable Development Summit that was virtually inaugurated by PM Modi? Which organization conducts the annual event by the name World Sustainable Development Summit that was virtually inaugurated by PM Modi? So, which organization conducts it? It is conducted by the Energy and Resources Institute. The Energy and Resources Institute. You also know this by the name of TERI. Remember now? TERI, the Energy and Resources Institute. Very good. You should know TERI. It is an important one. Okay. Next. Which organization partnered with Map My India to build an indigenous mapping and geospatial portal? I repeat, which organization partnered with Map My India to build an indigenous mapping and geospatial portal? It was organized, or the organization that partnered with Map My India was, come on, tell me, I'm waiting for you. It was very good, ISRO. It was ISRO. We have told his headquarter of ISRO is in Bangalore. Very good. And chairman is K. Sivan. Recently, K. Sivan sir was honored with a medal. Can you tell me the name of the medal? Can you tell me the name of the medal? If you know the medal, do comment below. I'll be checking the answers today. Okay? Do comment the medal given to K. Sivan recently. Next question. Which bank partnered with the Confederation of Real Estate Developers of Associations of India to launch a new bank account specially for construction workers? Which bank has started a bank account specially for construction workers? It was none other than what? Come on, tell me, I'm waiting for you. It was Indian Payment and Postal Bank. It was Indian Payment and Postal Bank. You should also know the full form of CREDAI. It can be asked. It is Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India. Okay, next question. Which is the first Indian company that became a coherent member of World Economic Forum's Circular Accelerator Program 2021? Which Indian company became a coherent member of the World Economic Forum's Circular Accelerator Program 2021? It was Recycle. It was Recycle. Okay. Next question. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Italy? Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Italy in February? He was, next, come on, tell me fast, I'm waiting for your answer. He was Mario Draghi. He was Mario Draghi. Okay. Next question. Which organization is developing the world's first high altitude pseudo satellite? World first high altitude pseudo satellite by the name CATS. And CATS stand for Combined Air Training System. Combined Air Training System. So who is making the first high altitude pseudo satellite? It is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. So last question for the day is, When was the World Radio Day annually celebrated? World Radio Day annually celebrated by. When was it celebrated? On which day? It is celebrated on 13th of February. It is celebrated on 13th of February. On 11th of February, International Day of Women and Girl in Science was celebrated. On this day, two schemes were launched. One was in on this two schemes were launched. Okay, it was something Vigyan dash dash. Complete the statement. Let me know in the comment. Okay, one was this and second was an award given. I'll let you know the award because it is important, but you tell me the which program was launched on this day, on 11th of February. Okay, so SERB, that is Science and Engineering Research Board, gave Women Excellence Award. Women Excellence Award. SERB gave Women Excellence Award to 4 women. It was given to 4 women and they were provided with 15 lakh each. 4 women. The name of the women are Shobha Kapoor, Antara Banerjee, Sonu Gandhi, and Ritu Gupta. I repeat, Shobha Kapoor, Antara Banerjee, Sonu Gandhi, and Ritu Gupta. So, these are the important questions. I hope you liked the video. If you like, please do like the video and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.